And right next door to what was previously the phone booth, and right around the corner from the Alta Cienega, it is now currently WeHo Wine and Spirits, but it was previously Monaco Liquor, and this was the favorite liquor store of Jim Morrison. Wake up this morning and I got myself a beer, which I was actually thinking about doing, but they are closed. Even though they were supposed to open like 45 minutes ago, they have yet to open. So hey, maybe we'll just have to get ourselves a beer somewhere. Catfish Billy, he's still hanging, he's a trooper, even in the rain. And as we continue to walk in the footsteps of the doors, we're gonna head right across the street there. Looks like we got some rain that we need to take care of on the lens here. Somehow, some way, we'll try to clean this off. But then we'll get over to the Doors Workshop. Electra, we're gonna head down La Cienega, so stay tuned. Let's go. Because right here at WeHo, formerly known as Monaco Liquor, is where Jim Morrison would walk, either from the Tropicana in that direction, or from the Alta Cienega that direction. So even though we weren't able to wake up this morning and get ourselves a beer, we can still go in here and get ourselves something to drink this afternoon. So right in here, Jim Morrison would buy alcohol. He liked his Dos Equis, his Tecate, definitely liked his whiskey. Jim Morrison, you know about Jim Morrison coming in here? Do you mind being on camera? Do you know any stories? No stories about Jim Morrison? Alright, well he used to stay at the Alta Cienega Motel, room 32. He used to stay at the Tropicana, which is now the Ramada. And this used to be Monaco Liquor. Back in the late 60s, early 70s.
Yeah, you're right.
And Jim Morrison would come, oh, I'm going to have to get one of those mini jacks. Jim Morrison used to drink 2 or 3 bottles of Jack Daniels every day. Not these tiny little bottles. Is that a liter or is that a 750?
Yeah, 750.
Yeah, 2 or 3 of those every day. But that's that rock and roll lifestyle from the Doors. Alright, y'all. This is WeHo Wine and Spirits, formerly Monaco Liquor, where Jim Morrison used to wake up in the morning and get himself a beer. Alright, y'all. Catch you later.